Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for Gusto Payroll. If you've been thinking about using Gusto for your business, this video will guide you through the sign-up process and help you get everything ready. We'll go through creating your account, entering your business details, and previewing the dashboard. We'll also give you a quick overview of Gusto's pricing so you know what to expect. The goal is to get you confidently signed up and ready to explore the platform on your own. Also, if you haven't signed up for Gusto yet, you can use the link down below to sign up, and once you run your first payroll, you get $100 sent back to you. So before we begin, what exactly is Gusto Payroll? So Gusto is an all-in-one payroll and HR platform designed to help small and medium-sized businesses manage payroll, employee benefits, hiring tools, and compliance. It's known for its user-friendly interface, automated payroll features, and support for both employees and contractors. Whether you're just starting out or growing a team, Gusto makes it simple to handle payments, taxes, and employee onboarding, all in one place. Let's get started, shall we? So first things first, go to gusto.com. So this is what the site looks like. Once you're on the site, you go down, then create your account. Yeah, so there's an option here to create your account. Just click on it. But before we go further, let's take a moment to look at Gusto's pricing so you can choose the right plan for your business. So let's look at the pricing. As of now, Gusto offers three main pricing tiers. So here we've got the simple plan, the plus plan, and the premium plan. Let's begin with the simple plan. So this offer is at $49 per month, plus $6 per month per person. It covers full service payroll, employee profiles and self-service, basic hiring tools and onboarding tools, and tax filings in a single state. So this has full service, single state payroll, including W-2s. Next, we've got the plus plan. So this is currently 25% off for the first 3 months. Yeah, so it used to be $80 per month and plus $12 per month per person, but now it's $60 per month plus $9 per month per person. And these are the plan details. So it's got everything in the simple plan and full service multi-state payroll, advanced hiring and onboarding tools, PTO management and policies, time tracking and project tracking, and other amazing features. Next, we've got the premium plan, which is also 25% off for the first 3 months. It used to be $180 per month plus $22 per month per person, but now with this discount, it's $135 per month plus $16.5 per month per person. It's got everything in the plus plan, dedicated customer service manager, HR resource center, compliance alerts, full service payroll migration and account setup, and some other amazing features. So each plan includes core payroll services, but the features expand as you go up, as you can see here. Yeah, so it all depends on which best suits your business. So that's for the pricing. Now let's go back to the sign up page. All right, so this is where it all begins. Your Gusto journey starts right here on the sign up. Now, one thing I really like about this is that Gusto lets you create a free account without asking for any payment upfront. You actually get unlimited access to explore the platform and set everything up, and you won't be charged a thing until you actually run payroll. That's amazing, isn't it? So if you're just here to check it out or you're still figuring things out for your business, there's no pressure. You notice that you've got 2 options. You can sign up with Google, which is super quick if you're already logged into your Google account, or you can go through the manual route, which we'll be doing here, just so we can see everything clearly. Yeah, so you can sign up with Google or you can take the manual route. And now let's take a closer look at what you need to fill in. First up, your first name and your last name. This is pretty straightforward. You want to enter your full legal name here, especially if you're the one managing payroll or responsible for your business account. Then we've got your work email, and this is important. I always recommend using your professional or company email address instead of your personal one. It keeps things organized, especially when you start receiving payroll notifications, reminders, and reports. Next is your company name. Make sure this matches how your business is registered legally, especially if you've already got an EIN, which is your employee identification number, or you're planning to file taxes through Gusto. Then you've got number of employees. This includes full-time employees, part-timers, and even contractors if you plan to pay them through Gusto. Then next you've you've got your company phone. This is usually your official business line or your work cell if you're just starting out. Then you have to create a password. You need to create a strong password. Gusto usually recommends using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. You can see here it also talks about payroll terms and privacy policies. It's always a good idea to skim through those when you have time, especially the payroll terms, so you understand how exactly Gusto handles things like direct deposits, tax filings, and compliance. Once you're done filling in the details, you carry on. Now we're officially on the Welcome to Gusto page. This is where Gusto gets to know your company a little better, and based on your answers here, it'll customize your dashboard and features. Basically, it's like telling Gusto who you'll be paying so it can get everything set up. For this tutorial, myself and contractors in the US best fits my setup, so let's go with that. Next up, Gusto wants to know how your company currently runs payroll. This question helps them understand where you're coming from so they can tailor the experience to your needs. And you see you've got 3 options here. So the first one is we're new to running payroll. If this is your first time handling payroll and you're not coming from another system, this is the one to go with. Next, we've got we use another online payroll software. This is for businesses that are switching from other platforms. If you're migrating from something else, selecting this helps Gusto understand that you may need to import data or transition information. And the last one is we do it ourselves manually. So this option is for those who've been calculating pay tax and withholdings by hand or using spreadsheets and doing the tax filings manually. Let's go with we're new to running payroll. Next, Gusto is asking if your company is registered as an employer with the IRS. So what they're looking for is your federal identification number from the IRS. It's what the IRS uses to identify your company when it comes to taxes and payroll. So if you're going to run payroll, you're going to need your EIN. Now, if you're already registered as an employer, you should already have your EIN, and Gusto will ask for it shortly during the setup process. Let's just go with no for now. We'll just carry on. Now you're just going to include the state where you work. Once you're done selecting your state, you carry on. Now you're being asked if you have an accountant or bookkeeper helping your business. Now, Gusto gives you the option to add your accountant to your account, which can be super helpful if you want someone else to handle the numbers, sync your books, or just keep an eye on things like tax filings and payroll reports. Now you're going to have to select the industry your company falls under. So just go ahead and select in here, and you can add your company's website if you already have a website. All right. So once you type in your industry, Gusto's going to try and match it. The industry is available here, so you can see different options. So it depends on what you type in. Let's just go with other management consulting services. If you'd like to use Gusto's time tracking feature, you can select yes here. So if you need to track hours worked or create hourly schedules, you can select yes for this. So let's just select yes and carry on. Also, if you want a 401k retirement plan for yourself, you can select yes, or you can select not yet, but I'm interested. So let's go with this. But if you don't want it, you can select no. Alright, so if you haven't selected a plan already, Gusto's going to recommend this simple plan. So that's the plan being recommended. And so we can come down here and select start with this package. Alright, now that we've set up the basics, there are a few more important details to take care of or important steps to complete to ensure that your Gusto account is ready. First up, there's add another admin. Now this is important if someone else in your business needs access to payroll and other settings. And lastly, you've got your signatory. This is the person responsible for signing off on payroll and financial matters in your company. So you can see that your name auto-populates here. Yeah, but you can edit it if you'd like to give this to someone else. And here, there's an option here to appoint someone else. That's how you sign up for Gusto Payroll, and once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be able to explore everything at your own pace. Don't forget, if you haven't signed up for Gusto Payroll yet, use the link below to sign up, and once you're on your first payroll, you get $100 sent back to you. Thanks so much for watching.